Hey everyone, it is Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a new tutorial for you for Nail Stamping Friday. I'm going to share with you a new stamping design, and I'm going to be reviewing a Born Pretty store plate. So we're going to go ahead and get into it, and I'll share with you all of the products that I'll be using for this nail design. So first off, I decided to use this as my base coat. So this is the Born Pretty Store Soak Off Gel Polish, and this is the primer. So I did one coat of that and then I cured it. Next, I used this Gel Laze by China Glaze Gel Polish, and I did 2 coats of it, and it is white on white. Then after curing that, I added my Madam Glam Soak Off No Wipe Top Coat gel, and I cured that one. Love this top coat. Then next, we're going to be using the Beauty Big Bang, and this is the Aurora powder. So I featured this in a little while ago. I'm just going to demo you with one of my nails. So basically, I have white and I have my top coat on here, and I'm going to use this silicone applicator, and I'm just going to kind of rub it on my nail. This is kind of harder to do with my left hand, but I did it all on my right hand before realizing. But yeah. So we're just rubbing it on, and then it creates that cool effect. I really like the silicone applicator for doing these powders better than the sponges. But it's so hard to do it with your left hand on camera. And just to get in the edges, I'm going to kind of use my finger, because I'm not super good using my left hand because I am right-handed. Alright, so that is all done. Now I'm just going to top coat it with that Madam Glam polish again. Alright, so that is what it's like all top coated. I really love this powder. I think it is beautiful, and I really like the way it looks and everything, so really nice. Alright, so on to the next part of the video. So now we're going to be reviewing this Born Pretty store plate. I was sent this by Alice from the Born Pretty store. So it is the Masquerade plate. So it is called Mass BP X42, and this is brand new. I have not tried it, as you can see, because I haven't taken off the blue film. So I'm going to test this out today on this nail design. So I'm going to be using this Sally Girl polish, and this one is, what is it called? Vivid Violet. And then I'm going to use this Crayola Sally Hansen Insta Dry, and this is Purple Heart. And then to stamp with, I'm going to be using the Born Pretty store, and it's like the extra large, kind of like the Big Bling, but the Born Pretty store version. And I'm going to use the dome shape head today to stamp. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm just going to peel off the film here, if I can get it. And I thought this plate was so cute. I don't have anything like this, so that is what the plate looks like. So yeah, we're gonna get started. So now I'm just going to clean up the rest of my nails and I'm going to top coat and I'll be back. Alright, so that is the finished mani. I actually think it turned out pretty cute. So I did do a different stamp on here. I did like the little other one here on my pinky, and I think all the rest of them are pretty good. I really do like this stamping plate. I just found that if you don't clean it like really well, so I found if I didn't clean it with like acetone, it was harder to actually pick up the images as well. I found that it stamped almost better with the Clean Cosmetics squishy sticky stamper than it did with the clear stamper. Like, it does stamp pretty well with the clear stamper. I just found at times it stamped better and it was easier to get like a darker image with this one, but maybe just me trying it out. And I didn't actually use stamping polish, which I know people get mad at me for, but I'm trying to find polishes that work that aren't necessarily stamping polishes because they can get expensive and I know not everyone buys them. But yeah, overall I think the plate is really cute. I love the nail powder, and yeah, I think it turned out really nice. So that's all I have for you today. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.